Less than 2 months time is remaining for your VIT EEE 2025 exam. And at this moment, many of you must be confused like what should be the right resources to prepare for your VIT EEE 2025 exam. So in this video, we will be discussing what are the best books which you can use to prepare for your VIT EEE exam. Now, one thing we must see that how is the VIT EEE exam different from your JEE exam. So if we compare them, first thing is that VIT EEE is easier than your JEE mains exam, है ना? क्योंकि there are total number of 125 questions which you need to attempt in 150 minutes. And if we look into JEE mains pattern, then it is that 75 question needs to be attempted in 180 minutes. So here time is also reduced and number of questions have also been increased. So level of difficulty needs to be maintained so that a student can attempt this number of questions in the given time. Now the second thing is, if you are preparing for JEE mains, most of your syllabus will automatically be covered for VIT EEE too. If you keep side by side the syllabus of both the exams, you will find that most of the syllabus is common. But one thing is that some chapters are there which will be there in VIT EEE but were not asked in JEE mains. Like if you say solid state is there in VIT EEE but now it has been removed from your JEE mains exam. And also some chapters are not part of VIT EEE but were asked in JEE mains. So you can visit the official website of VIT EEE and there you will find the syllabus of physics, syllabus of chemistry, syllabus of mathematics, and you can check how many units are there. So total number of 10 units are there in your physics section, 7 units are there in your chemistry section, and 7 units are there in your mathematics section. So each unit contains that like in if we see the mechanics and properties of matter, so most of the 11th class chapters are given in this unit, है ना? So it is like a bunch of chapters which have been combined to form a unit. अब यहाँ पे जो एक कॉमन दिक्कत स्टूडेंट्स को आती है कि जो एक स्पेसिफिक सिलेबस है उसके लिए हम जो है प्रिपरेशन यहाँ पे किस तरीके से करें. So we have launched a VIT EEE crash course which can help you in your VIT EEE 2025 exam. And the best thing about this course is it has been completely recorded in English so that even the non-Hindi speaking students can use this course. In this course, you get the video lectures which have been divided in 3 portions. First one is you will get the PCM unit-wise lectures. So here we can see 10 units are there in physics, 7 units are there in chemistry, 7 units are there in mathematics. So all the units have been covered in this video lecture section. And also in the video lectures, you will find the exclusive short trick sessions. So we can clearly see that we need to attempt 125 questions in 150 minutes. So this can be done, this is possible only if you are able to attempt the questions in a speed manner. And for that, you need to learn some of the short tricks, especially in mathematics section like substitution, option elimination method. So these methods can help you to improve your speed, and this will finally help you in your exam. And the third type of video lectures which you get in the course is aptitude and English lecture, because this section you are not taught in JEE mains. So this needs to be practiced well so that you can score good in this section too. So aptitude and English portion is also being covered in this course. The other thing which you get in the course is exclusive question bank for all the subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, and your aptitude and English section. And then next thing is short notes, because at the last moment you cannot revise things through your video lectures or through your book. You need to use this short notes which summarizes your whole unit in some limited number of pages. And the other thing which you get in the course is 10 full-length mock tests. So relevant mock tests have been prepared for your VIT EEE exam so that you can get a reality check that how you are performing and what needs to be improved. So this course can be a game changer for your VIT EEE 2025 exam, and you should surely check it. All the complete details regarding course has been given in description. From there you can check it, and procedure is given here through which you can enroll in the course. And one special thing is that for the early bird students, means students who are enrolling early, they will get a special discount offer of 1500 rupees off. But remember, this offer is valid only for limited time. So you can check the discount coupon code in the description and apply it on our website. Now let's look into a quick analysis of PCM. So first thing is, for the physics, majority topics are of class 12. If you go through the syllabus of physics section, you will find that majority topics are of class 12, means 9 units are completely comprising of class 12 chapters, and theoretical questions and numericals both are asked. Okay, so you need to prepare theoretical chapters well too, because you get less time in the exam. So all the numericals cannot be asked. Some theoretical questions are also asked, and some numericals are there. Then in the chemistry section, NCERT based questions are being asked, if we see the previous year pattern, and most of the rote learning chapters like salt analysis, POC, and a practical organic chemistry, that are not asked. So it is like different from JEE Mains, and this is also helpful for students that they don't need to do any kind of rote learning. Next thing is maths. In the maths, less calculative and formula based questions are asked. So if you have a good command over the formulas of your class 11th and class 12 chapters, they can definitely help you in your exam. Now, if we check what can be the best books to prepare for the VIT EEE exam, so here we have made a list for all the subjects. First thing is, if you have done your JEE Mains preparation well, so either you can go with the books or the modules which you have used during your JEE preparation, because we have seen that JEE Mains and VIT EEE exam, most of the syllabus is common. So if you have used either say books, some reference books, or your coaching modules, you can go with the same for VIT EEE preparation also. But if you are starting like a fresh for VIT EEE exams, then you can use these books. For physics, NCERT will be a good option, and for some extra reference, for some advanced concept, you can use SCB2. For question solving, you can solve NCERT extract problems. Then for chemistry, NCERT will be sufficient, and for extra practice of questions, you can use NCERT extract. Other than that, for maths, you can use RD Sharma. Solved examples will be helpful to learn how to apply the formulas or concepts in the question. And for extra practice, you can use NCERT extract. Now, if you have done with all these things, then you can do extra practice by solving NEET previous year questions for physics and chemistry. And for maths, you can refer to NDA previous year questions, because the level of NDA is somewhat similar to VIT EEE, because in this exam also, it is a game of speed. There also, you need to attempt a numerous number of questions in a given limited amount of time. So you can definitely check that one. Now, if we talk about aptitude and English section, so this section is newer to the JEE aspirants, because generally in JEE, these sections are not asked. So first, if we look into aptitude section in the brochure, this number of topics have been given. First one is data interpretation, data sufficiency, syllogism, number series coding and decoding, clock, calendar, and direction. So if you search these topics, you will get the relevant theory, like what needs to be, what type of questions are being asked in such type of topics. So for data interpretation, tabular chart, pie chart, bar chart, line graph, mixed chart. So this type of questions are always being asked in the mental ability type papers. So if any one of you have given NTSE exam, in that you will find common questions related to this topic. So for aptitude, you can refer to NTSE previous year questions. Simply search NTSE PYQs, you will get the list of the papers. From there, you can refer to this particular topics and practice that number of questions which are given in your brochure. And for the English, you can refer to your class 10th board chapters, because if we look into the syllabus which is given in your brochure, you will find that multiple choice questions to test the comprehension of a short passage. So basically, reading comprehension type questions are being asked in your English section. So that can be practiced from your class 10 board papers, either sample papers or official papers. And one book which I will suggest you to practice vocabulary, that is Word Power Made Easy. So you can refer to this book also. So using this, your pronunciation skills will be get better, because such type of questions are also being asked in your VIT EEE exam. Apart from this, you need to focus on attempting VIT EEE level mock test on a regular basis for a reality check. So either take a time period of 3 to 4 days, or even in a week, if you attempt a VIT EEE exam, you will able to understand like how well you are performing in the paper, and how much speed do you need to improve for your final exam. Because in this exam, level of difficulty is not that much difficult. Only thing which matters is your speed. We don't need to care much about accuracy, because negative marking is not there in this exam. So one thing is clear, simply maintain the speed and try to attempt maximum number of questions to get a better result in your VIT EEE exam. And all these things or resources which I have talked over here, like mock test, aptitude and English, all these sections have been covered in our VIT EEE crash course. So if you are serious about your VIT EEE preparation, you can surely check our VIT EEE crash course. Complete details have been given in description. From there you will learn like what all resources you are getting in this course. And if you have any query related to the course, you can contact our team. The contact number is also given in the description. From there you can connect with our team either through WhatsApp or through call. So hopefully you are able to understand like which all books you can refer for your VIT EEE preparation, because we don't have much time left. So now if you really want to crack VIT EEE exam, you need to get serious and prepare well for this exam, because this exam is a good chance for all the aspirants who have not performed well in their JEE Mains exam. And if you get VIT Vellore CSE or let's say any elite branch in the parent campus, that will be a strong backup for all the aspirants. Now one thing you all must do is to mention your target score for VIT EEE 2025 exam in the comment section, so that we are able to understand like what all you are keeping a target for the VIT EEE exam, and we will try to bring some strategy videos too, so that it will help you to reach that score for your VIT EEE exam. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for your VIT EEE preparation. Now let's meet in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, take care and goodbye.